Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lipsync in Higgsfield AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up Higgsfield AI, sign into your account. Now once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and hover our mouse over video. Then from there, scroll down, basically halfway down the page on the left hand side, we've got Lipsync Studio. So this will create talking clips. Now once we're here, we're going to see we're inside of the Lipsync Studio. Now from here we can go ahead and upload our image. I've already created this in the past, and now this is what it's going to turn like, so I'll just play this one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now to do this, we want to go ahead and upload an image, so I'm going to click on upload. Now I'm going to find a image. To do this, I can use this as a reference image, and then from here we can put in the audio text. I'm just going to say, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or we can go ahead and click on generate audio. So generate audio or upload it, so you can add your own audio if you want. From here, describe the scene you imagine with details. So I'm just going to say keep it blank. You can obviously change that. Now we can use the model, so we can change the model. We've got the WAN 2.5 speak, we've got Kling Lipsync Premium, we've got Kling Lipstick 2.6, so just choose which one. You can play around with that. And now from here, durations, we can change the duration to 5-10 seconds, and resolution, basically hit generate, and that's going to generate that clip that looks like this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.